Raw material prices keep increasing every single day, and many soap makers are struggling to maintain quality while still making profits. So I decided to test something different. I made this thick transparent liquid soap using my homemade Texapon gel as the base. And honestly, the results surprised me. The soap came out thick, crystal clear, highly foamy, and powerful enough to compete with many supermarket brands. In today's video, I will show you how I achieved this transparent multi-purpose liquid soap using affordable ingredients while still maintaining premium quality. If you are looking for a way to reduce production costs without sacrificing performance, then this video will really help you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Without wasting time, let's dive into today's tutorial. For my light solution, I use 500 ml of water to dissolve 12 grams of caustic soda. This will be used to balance and activate the sulfonic acid. I stir it for a while and I set it aside to cool down. I use 2 liters of water to dissolve sodium rosette ester sulfate, which will be serving as a foam booster in this recipe. I stir it for a while and I set it aside to cool down. At this stage, our light solution is already crystal clear. I gently combine it with sulfonic acid for stronger cleaning power in order to activate the sulfonic acid. At first, it may form lumps, but nevertheless, I keep stirring it until it becomes jelly-like solution like this. The major reason I tried this recipe was because with just 1,500 naira, I was able to make 500 grams of homemade Texapon gel. But that same quantity, buying the store-bought one is sold at 3,000 naira, and my homemade Texapon came out thicker than the store-bought one. So instead of stopping production or reducing quality, I wanted to experiment with a more cost-saving alternative. And the amazing part is this homemade version actually performed really well. I used 260 grams of my homemade Texapon gel as primary soap base and 120 grams of ordinary kitchen salt as the thickener. One thing about salt thickening is that it should be added gradually. Too much can break the viscosity, while the right quantity gives you this beautiful thick texture. This is me mixing the two ingredients together. After mixing it for a while, it is a time to add the next ingredient. This is me adding the light sulfonic acid solution bit by bit. I keep stirring it. Look at that thickness. If this video is helping you learn how to reduce production costs without reducing quality, hit the subscribe button right now because I still have more powerful business recipes coming for you. After stirring it for a while, it is now time to add the next ingredients. At this stage, I added the clear SLS rice solution to the soap. I keep stirring and I added it bit by bit. The beauty of any soap is by your ability to mix properly. At this stage, I added extra 100 ml of water to reduce the thickness of this soap, making it 2.6 liters of water I use in this recipe. While trying this recipe, you can make yours 3 liters. It depends on your choice. You can also produce larger batch with this recipe. For the preservative, I used methyl paraben. I used a little hot water to dissolve it before adding it into the soap mix. I mixed it vigorously to ensure that it is well incorporated into the soap mixture. Look at the thickness we have achieved so far with just our homemade Texapon gel we made on this channel. I'll be dropping the link on how we achieve our homemade Texapon gel at the description box. At this stage, I covered the soap and set it aside till the next day. The next day, the soap came out beautifully thick, smooth, crystal clear, and perfectly stable. This is the kind of viscosity many people struggle to achieve, especially with a low-cost recipe using homemade Texapon gel. I took out part of the soap to add the remaining ingredients. I added glycerin for smoothness and I keep mixing. After mixing it for a while, it is now time to add fragrance, and I use lemon fragrance by the way. I used green color. After proper mixing, I pour the soap back inside the main mixing bowl and combine the two mixture together. The texture is smooth, rich and professional looking. Exactly the kind of finish customers love to see. And the best part is that the soap remains stable without separating. This proves that even with increasing raw material prices, you can still create high quality products while keeping your production cost under control. Soap made with homemade Texapon gel will leave foamless check. Immediately you can see how quickly the foam start building up. Look at that rich foam overflowing. Homemade Texapon gel, the premium foam quality. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more cost-saving, high-quality DIY soap formulations, make sure you like, share, comment, and turn on my post notifications. Let me know in the comments, would you try homemade Texapon gel for your liquid soap production? Always be good to one another. Anticipate my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.